Alright, Junior and Loopy, are you ready to see it? Yep, let's watch. Let's watch how Elinor and Bahar is doing with the Polar Express train. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, here we go with the Polar Express. I think we're going to do Kona Ice Cups review in the morning since it's getting late. But here we go. We'll open the Polar Express. Oh, rail fanners. Today I got the Polar Express train set. As you can see, 18 pieces. I got it at the Day Out with Thomas event. It comes with Santa Claus and a conductor, and along with the Christmas tree. Alright, let's open it quick. I just opened the box already. Here we go. We're just gonna take a look. It's just some few tracks. Let's start with these parts. Here we have the train, the locomotives. I would like Polar Express. It's one of my favorite Christmas movies, even though it's not Christmas yet. Let's make it simple. Here we have a passenger car and some storage and some tracks. Alright. Since there are only few, we could make like or something. Alright, this is what the train looks like, as you can see. Here's a Christmas tree. Santa Claus. Oh, 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 Merry Christmas. And the conductor. All aboard. This is the Polar Express. Elinor and Bahar. Yeah, I like that train. Just kidding. Just pretending as a conductor like the MTA. So, Elinor and Bahar, what do you think about this train toy? Good. Me too. And Junior and Loopy, what do you think about that? Awesome. Me too. Alright, hope you like this Polar Express train. Juggles down the tracks. Even though we're not going to do some full tracks right now because it's getting late. It's almost 2 a.m. I have to go to school tomorrow. I only have 5 more days until my last day of summer school. Alright, that's it. But instead, boom, accidents will happen. No, not again. Alright, good night everybody. Alright, time to clean that up. Alright, Bahar, let me pick up those trains now. Alright, thank you. Alright, let me pick up the Polar Express. It even turns the wheels. This is the tender and the present and the passenger car. Alright, that'll be it everybody. Happy super early Christmas. Sorry, it's not Christmas. I'm Emo, not you. Good night.